What's going on, y'all? What's going on? It's me, Honorable, checking on in. Honorable Brandon Rudolph-Kimble, man. You already know, man. I ain't gonna go back and forth with y'all about it, man. Tune on in. I'm tuned in with you. I want to get down to the point about something that everybody been calling me about and want to talk about or put it on the Facebook. Check this out. Young Thug being arrested and detained yesterday due to RICO charges, right? And it's been a big woo-ha about it because not only him, but his whole entire gang or his brothers or his friends, including Young Gunna, they got a highly anticipated selling album out there right now, y'all, which is it's weird to me, but it is what it is, y'all. Whew. Don't look good for Young Thug and for the YSL brand. Don't look good, does not look good, does not look good, it don't look good. Now me, I'm from Chicago, Southside, Illinois, Southside Chicago, Illinois. But I've lived in Georgia for over 25 years. And I stayed in Atlanta 12 of those years. Check this out. I was in Fulton County Jail, been able to experience it due to a violation that I was in contact of the law. But those charges have been soon thrown away and they got up out of here, restricted or whatever. You know what I mean? Expungement. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Fulton County, Georgia is not a place you want to play. Fulton County Jail, Fulton County, Georgia, City of Atlanta jail, prison is not no place where you want to go and be and play around at, y'all. It's a lot going on with the gang system in there. It's a lot going on even with the bonding, trying to get a bond to get up out of jail. They are making no hold bonds available out there for everybody in their crime that they have committed and going before a first appearance, court appearance out there right now. These last 2-3 years, I said 2018, 2019, this is year 2022. Young Thug does not look good for him right now. I'm gonna tell you something, feds are watching certain ones out there. The feds are watching certain ones out there in this United States of America. You are being watched. Why? It's because the fact that your name keep getting brought up in somebody else's mouth, dealing with their cases, right? State level cases, right? Being brought up to potentially feds. You know what I mean? Atlanta, Georgia is a Fed-based circuit court system, even though it's state and superior court. But they are based, the feds own those buildings. They own the jurisdiction. They own the judges and the attorneys and prosecutors in Fulton County. They are federally recognized and federally owned, even though they are state and superior circuit. Woo-ha. So a lot of those cases out, the RICO case with Young Thug, this is a federal case. I had somebody try to debate about it on Facebook about it. No, it's a state case. No, it is not. State ain't picked. No, this is far from state. This is on the highest supreme level rules, civil procedural rules. This is a Fed case. RICO. RICO started in Chicago. The RICO Act law is a constitutional matter. It's a federal supreme matter. It started in Chicago. We started the word racketeering. Yes, we started RICO. We started that. We invented that word. Going forward, Young Thug, his name is being brought up again to be someone that has played a conspiracy effort in a stabbing of another fellow City of Atlanta, Georgia rapper by the name of YFN LUCCI. How do y'all feel about that out there, y'all? I'm looking like, whoa. These two guys have been going back and forth, making mentions about death penalty against one another, what they would do when they see each other in the streets, quote unquote. Somebody did turn up dead in the streets. Then now, YFN LUCCI is behind bars. and he has a no bond clause or no bond revocation, on his name. But he was recently stabbed in the last, maybe 4 months ago, 5 months, and he pleaded a motion to courts for a plea of a bond, to be released on bond, rather. And they haven't granted him that yet. Ironic. Young Thug now is being brought up into a indictment charge of RICO and conspiracy dealing with stabbing or putting a conspiracy to commit murder. This is what I'm hearing. This is what I'm allegedly getting out in the streets. What do y'all feel about that? That's a lot right there. Ironic. Ironic. I'm gonna tell you something. The feds is a dirty game. They dirty people. They do dirty games, dirty activity. A lot of times, people that's on the streets, everyday civilians out here that's doing criminal activity, they are being caught in Atlanta, Georgia. Because I live in the city of Atlanta, Georgia, and the city of Decatur, Georgia. They are telling on certain guys to get themselves a clemency to be released from prison or released from jail or released from an arrest or detainment. I'm gonna tell you something. That's what's going on right now. There's a lot of talking going on. A lot of talking. A lot of people saying a bunch of miscredited information. And some of it is credible. So all testimony ain't always a credible one. So, or snitch, testimony ain't always a credible testimony. Y'all remember what I said. Snitch allegation testimony is not always a credible testimony. So it's a lot of talking going on, and Atlanta is just going ahead and prosecuting, or indictment rather, for prosecution for something they all may not have all the substantials on. I can tell you that now. They won't let YFN LUCCI get a bond agreement. Why is that? Now Thug is in the picture, a nemesis to him. Why is that? Due to RICO, due to conspiracy for murder. And he got something to do with that, dealing with YFN LUCCI being stabbed, quote unquote. So this don't make sense to me, but it do make a little bit of sense to me too. Why are the feds holding YFN LUCCI, and why are they bringing Young Thug to indictment like this, that quick like that? What are the probable causes of this whole arraignment? What are the testimonies to have? What are the evidence, the body of the case? What do they have in evidence to show proof that that's been some RICO? How long has this went on, y'all? Yes, this man putting out rap albums, but you mean to tell me he racking up conspiracy to commit murder? He racking up in other areas of criminal acts to go out there for what public interest? For a private interest, or gang affiliation interest? I don't know. They keep saying so much puzzle out there to put back together. Y'all jump in the comment box. Y'all hit that like button. Y'all subscribe to this channel right here. We're gonna get down to the bottom of it, y'all. Put that out there, man. Y'all check it out. Get in that comment box and let me know what's on your mind. Cause I wanna know, dealing with Young Thug versus YFN LUCCI and this RICO case and these conspiracy to commit murder. I wanna know what's going on, y'all. City of Atlanta, Georgia. Come to my comment box and put it out there, y'all. Throw it out there. Pitch. Be blessed, y'all. All right now.